get to that in a moment. First, big development also in the Purdue Pharma opioid settlement dispute.
A Supreme Court ruling today rejected a settlement that would have legally protected the family that once controlled the company. News 8's Brittany Taylor has more on that. Brittany.
Good evening, Catherine, Darren. That's right. While the Sackler family will not have legal immunity, this also means victims of the opioid epidemic and treatment programs will not see a dime of that opioid settlement money.
In a 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court rejecting a settlement Thursday that would have seen $6 billion go towards families impacted by the opioid crisis while shielding the Sackler family from current and future civil liability claims.
This means that the Sacklers and other wrongdoers can't abuse the bankruptcy process when they're not bankrupt to shield themselves and to force us to accept a settlement that we don't agree with.
In a statement, Purdue Pharma tells News 8 today's ruling is heart-crushing because it invalidates a settlement supported by nearly all of our creditors that would have delivered billions of dollars for victim compensation, opioid crisis abatement, and overdose rescue and addiction treatment medicines. The U.S. trustee estimates the now-defunct deal would have provided opioid victims like Doug Schumann between $3,500 and $48,000. He says he could have used that money.
Dismayed, left out in the cold. It's ridiculous that all these people suffered from these people pushing this drug on everybody. And I was looking towards getting some money from them.
The money also won't be going towards treatment clinics like Root Center, which serves 6,000 patients battling addiction statewide.
And to hear that yet there's going to be another barrier and challenge and another area that could have been of really big support for some of our patients and families and loved ones, it's very disheartening to hear.
But it's far from disheartening for Christine Gagnon on the Connecticut Opioid Settlement Committee. Gagnon lost her 22-year-old son, Michael, in 2017 to opioids and says the ruling puts accountability on the Sackler family.
They are now going to personally have to face the music. If they were willing to give $6 billion and make sure they were protected, there's more money there.
So what's next? Attorney General Tong says he expects litigation will continue in bankruptcy court. Meanwhile, Purdue Pharma says it will be reaching back out to creditors to pursue a new resolution. Brittany Taylor, News 8.
All right.